Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and cable. This prevents interruptions. First, enable developer options so you can change USB defaults. Tap build number 7 times in Settings About Phone. Next, connect with a known good USB cable and unlock the screen so the PC can see prompts. Make sure battery is above 20% to avoid shutdowns. Once connected, watch the phone for a USB prompt and allow file transfer or MTP to grant access. This step opens the channel. Now you configure both devices so they speak the same protocol. On the phone, pull down notifications and select File Transfer or MTP. That tells Android to present a file system. On Windows, check Device Manager and update or install the OEM MTP driver if the phone appears as unknown. On Mac OS, use Android File Transfer app. On Linux, use GVFS or a DB when needed. Once drivers are correct, open your file manager on the computer and navigate to the phone's internal storage or SD. Complete the session by copying files, then safely eject or unmount the phone's storage from your computer to prevent corruption. After ejecting, change the USB default back to charging if you do not regularly transfer files. That reduces exposure to unsolicited access. If the computer fails to detect the device, first try a different USB cable or port. This is the most common cause. If that doesn't work, toggle USB debugging in developer options and reauthorize the computer. It often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.